You spend money to buy things, I will take you to hell.
It's you that is going to hell. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Christie again. So I told you guys I got a stick-on nail the last time I went to pierce baby's ear, and my husband was seeing a lot of rubbish. Like, I don't even know why I didn't start recording him on time. He said I was going to hellfire for wearing artificial nails. I said it's him that will go to hellfire. That's just one of our banters, guys. So I bought the stick-on nails, about 3 of them like that, and I've not really had time for self-care sincerely since I put to bed. So I'm trying to do everything I can to help me. I don't think I have time to go and sit down 1 hour in a store doing acrylic nails or something. So the stick-on nails were really helpful. I bought about 3, 10 pounds, 12 pounds, and 12 pounds. So I'm just going to show you guys how I fixed that on. Like, it's really a quick saver if you really want to save time. So my baby is in the background, that's why you're hearing her noise. She's making noise. So I'm just going to show you guys how I fixed those nails right now. So please, if this is your first time of stopping by, do what, click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop me your comments down below. I'd love to engage with you. Thank you. I love you. So guys, this is one of the nails, and as you can see, that's clear written on it. I bought it in Claire's. Like, Claire's have got so many beautiful female accessories, like so many, that if you go there, if you don't have self-control, you might just keep buying and buying and buying. Yeah, so I bought 3 different types of this, and because I love nude colors a lot, I got lots. The 3 of them are like nude, just, you know, slightly different in design. So you just want to go ahead and pour out all the nails from the pack. This white thing you are seeing is the glue you use to stick it on your nails. So yeah, the pack contains the nails and the glue. The nail should be enough to do for both fingers, and even have some remnants for some other time. So before you begin, you just want to look at them and see the one that fits your finger. Okay, so for this to last long, you can just use maybe razor blade to scrape your finger to give it a kind of rough feel before putting the glue. But I don't know what I did that week, that my finger was not so smooth, it was rough, so I didn't need that razor blade parts. So I just used the glue like that and put on the nails. So when you put on the nails, you just want to hold it down firm for like a minute for it to really glue to your finger, just like this. And like I said, if you want this to really last for long, let your finger be a bit rough, like scrape it with maybe a blade or something sharp. Scrape it before putting the glue, and then you put the nail and hold it. So I was using the back of this camera. I didn't really know what was happening in the front. That's why the angle is not really getting what I was doing. So this is holding on to the nail after like a minute. Is now well set. Then you proceed to do the other one. Just want to take some nails and fit in the finger before you put the glue, to know which of the nails fit best. So yeah, this was me trying out some nails, and finally I got one. So you just want to repeat what you did for the big thumb. Oh, is that a thumb? Yes, for the big thumb, and then do it for the second one as well. Don't forget, if you want it to last very long, you can scrape that with a blade before applying the glue. And then you put in the nail when you have applied the glue, and hold it down for at least a minute. Okay, yeah, press it down like this, and it's just going to stick. Like, it sticks, trust me. So this one, the only disadvantages about stick-on nails is that, especially if you use your hands a lot, you cook a lot, you wash a lot, you're always coming in contact with water, they'll begin to fall off like in a week. So all of my own fell off like around the 3rd week, and that's because I have my hands in water a lot, like I cook a lot. So they began falling off, but at least I was able to carry them for like 3 weeks. And the good thing about this is that as they are falling off, if you see it, you can keep it and stick it on again, like it stays there. I don't know if you get what I mean. And I just really feel this is really price effective. Okay, this was for £10. To fix acrylic nails now is like £30. Imagine the time you go and sit down to get it done. Nothing less than 2 hours to fix acrylic nails. That's if the person is very fast. Then you fix that, and then the time you spend, the money. But with just £10, like I have this done, and it can stay for up to a month in my finger. If it falls off, I pick it again and stick on. Like, this is just a lifesaver. It saves life. Sorry, I don't know how this saves lives. It saves time, it saves money, it makes you look pretty, just pretty. Okay, so yeah, repeat that for your left hand as well. I didn't know I was going to be able to do the left hand on, but then here's me doing it. It was easy, like very easy than I expected. So you just want to repeat that for all fingers, and then you're good to go. You're good to go. You're good to go. You can now begin to slay. Can now begin to slay. So yeah, you might be seeing some cute pretty nails on some of my cook videos lately. Who know like better thing? Okay. So guys, if you've watched this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're here to do so. Drop me your comment down below. I'd love to engage with you. See you when next we see. Of course, you know I love you as always. I love you. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.